How to calculate MAGI for Medicare Part B premium. Are you curious about how to calculate your modified adjusted gross income for Medicare Part B premium? Understanding this process can help you manage your healthcare costs effectively. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to start with your adjusted gross income as reported on your Internal Revenue Service Form 1040 tax return. This figure is located on line 11 of the form. Your adjusted gross income is your total income minus specific deductions, which gives you a clearer picture of your taxable income. Next, you will need to add any tax-exempt interest income to your adjusted gross income. This tax-exempt interest income is reported on line 2A of your Form 1040. By combining these two amounts, you will arrive at your modified adjusted gross income. Medicare uses the modified adjusted gross income from your federal tax return filed 2 years before the current year to determine your Part B premium. For instance, if you are looking at your premium for the year 2025, you will need to refer to your 2023 modified adjusted gross income. This income figure is essential because it helps determine if you will pay the standard premium or if you will be subject to an income-related monthly adjustment amount. This adjustment increases premiums for individuals with higher income levels. For the year 2025, the modified adjusted gross income thresholds are set at $106,000 for individuals with a filing status other than married filing jointly. For married couples filing jointly, the threshold is $212,000. If your modified adjusted gross income exceeds these limits, you will pay higher Medicare Part B premiums. The amount you pay will be based on a sliding scale, depending on how much your income surpasses these thresholds. To summarize the calculation process, first, obtain your adjusted gross income from your Internal Revenue Service Form 1040 tax return. Then, add any tax-exempt interest income to this figure. Finally, use the total to compare against the Medicare income thresholds to determine your premium tier. Understanding your modified adjusted gross income is essential because it directly affects your monthly Medicare Part B costs. If your income is near or above the thresholds, consider planning ahead. You might want to consult a financial advisor to discuss strategies for managing your income concerning Medicare premiums. Keep in mind that Medicare bases your premium on tax data from 2 years prior. Therefore, any changes in your current income will impact your premiums with a delay. Additionally, a higher modified adjusted gross income can also affect your premiums for Medicare prescription drug coverage if you have it. Calculating your modified adjusted gross income for Medicare Part B premiums is straightforward. Just remember to look back at your tax return from 2 years ago and add in any tax-exempt interest income. This figure will determine whether you pay the standard premium or a higher income-related premium.